So I started a project where I am trying to sandblast the case on this Gaggia espresso machine. While I was doing it, I was struggling with one thing, the lighting. On certain parts like this, I just couldn't see what I was doing. The good news is that if you're dealing with bad lighting, it's a $30 fix. All you need are these waterproof 12 volt LED cob lights and this 12 volt 3 amp adapter. Once you get the parts, just do a quick test to make sure everything's working properly and that you like the color. I linked to the 6K color LEDs because the cool temp and high CRI mean you can really see the details, especially in this orange cabinet. The first step is to make sure the inside surface is clean and dry. I'm using 90% isopropyl alcohol here. Make sure you wipe every spot where you're going to stick the lights. I'm wrapping them all the way around the top of the cabinet. Next, you'll need to wire the lights in. The light and adapter I linked to already connect to each other, but if you want to use the switch that comes with your cabinet, you'll need to wire that in and then test it. Okay, it's finally time to stick the lights to the cabinet. You're going to want to really take your time at the beginning to make sure you don't over tighten or stretch anything. This is when you want to be careful. Once it's started, it's a lot easier. Just peel and then carefully place the lights and then go over it again to make sure it's really well attached. Then as you go around the cabinet, just peel the part of the light that you're ready to stick it on, and then press it down to set it. If you place it slightly wrong, you can usually pull it off if you act quickly and then put it back on. Now I had plenty of extra strip, so I doubled up the strip on the back. If you're planning to do that, make sure you leave plenty of room at that first corner. When you're ready to snip, make sure it's powered off and then cut along any of those marks. All right, that's it. You're ready to enjoy your improved lighting. I actually powder coated my trash can as a test run and it turned out great. And I've linked to the lights and the adapter in the comments. So if you want to try this project out, go ahead and enjoy.